Happy April is that time again. W4 optimization and estimated taxes, which are due April 15th. This is a W4 that you're looking at. This is what you'll fill out to give to your employer to have your taxes withheld. I'm going to first go to our pay stub. And what we need to do, don't pay attention to the date. We're just going to assume this is an April 5th pay stub. Okay. We're going to first calculate our annual income. We'll first take our year-to-date earnings, 13,574.82, and multiply that by 4. That gives us an estimate of our annual income. Now, at this point, if you have any 401k contributions or IRA contributions, you want to go ahead and subtract those now from your income. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract our standard deduction of 12,200, which gives us a taxable income of $42,099.28. Now we're going to go over to our tax bracket, and we're going to find our tax bracket based on this taxable income here. And so, as you can see, our tax bracket lies here between these numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 39,475 from our taxable income. We're going to multiply that answer times 22%, and then we're going to add 4543. All right, that gives us a total annual tax due of 5120.34. Now, if you have any children under the age of 17 that will be on your tax return, you will want to subtract $2,000 for each child from this number. If you have any children 17 and above that will be on your tax return, you want to subtract $500 from this number. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go back to our pay stub, and we're going to subtract the total year-to-date amount of federal withholding paid. Okay. And so for this particular pay stub, that number is 1980, which gives us a total due of $3,140 for the rest of the year. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to figure out how many paychecks we have left in the year. So to do that, we're going to go to our calendar. Okay. We're just going to simply count the number of paychecks we have remaining. So assuming that this is an April 5th paycheck, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 pay periods remaining for the year if we have an April 5th paycheck. So we're going to simply divide that number by 19. 3140 divided by 19. All right, and that gives us 165.26 per pay period that needs to be paid. Okay, and so what we're going to do is, now keep in mind, if you're married, if both spouses have jobs, you can split this amount however you want to. Some split it 50-50, some 60-40. It doesn't matter, just as long as it gets paid. It may even make sense for all the taxes to come out of one paycheck and none to come out of the other. That's perfectly fine. So split this however you like. And then on W4, you will put this number on line 6. Okay. Typically what I like to do is I like to just round up to $166 and put that right here on line 6. Okay. Now for line 5, we're gonna have to go back to our pay stub, and we're going to again figure our annual income. So 13,574.82 times 4, and then we're going to divide that answer by 4,000, which gives us 13.57. We're going to round this up to 14, and that's what's going to go here on line 5.